So there's a lot of knowledge there, guys. You don't make that much money just by thin air. You do that by helping people. So this is what these guys are about. So jump on and just learn a little bit, and just keep jumping on the lives and continue to do so until you feel like, hey, I want to learn a bit more. That's fine. You don't have to start straight away. Radio fam, we are back for day 47, I think it is. Win with Damien, and we're doing a challenge. Yes, we are. And it goes for 100 days, this challenge, and you got to do a video for a day. And if you don't make a sale in those 100 days, guess what? SalesVision are going to give you $100. So I've jumped on that challenge. If you want to know more, check the dates, or better yet, we have a live tomorrow at 11 a.m. Central Time for all you US folks and overseas folks. I'm here in Australia, so that's like 2 a.m. But I think we've got some special news coming up on the Zoomy, so I'll want to get on this one. So I'm going to try and get to bed early. So I've got my herbal tea to help me get to sleep a little bit earlier. And let's share with you what's going to be on the live. What is the live going to be about? So it's going to be four stimple. Not sure what stimple is, so I'll have to get on. Slow down, big boy. 4 simple steps to becoming an online marketing pro. Well, that's pretty cool. Then you will learn how to have an elevated lifestyle, a stable financial future that will be guaranteed for life when you become this online pro. So guys, I jump on these Zoomies. If I miss the live, I get on the replay. I can guarantee you there'll be some great nuggets in there if you have an open mind and you're looking to find a new way to either generate leads for a new business that you want to start, or you've got an existing business that you'd like to start, or hey, you're just looking to dabble in the online space and learning to make a little bit of money online, or how to actually make videos. There's a lot of self-development in there as well, wisdom. There's so many people and leaders in this group that you'll find whatever you need. So I'm going to love you and leave you. All right, I'm back because I forgot one thing. The best thing about this webinar is, or Zoom or live or whatever you want to call it, is the actual leaders are going to be on it that are presenting the information. So I want you guys to check out Asia Love on Facebook. So if you add me as a friend and then you can check them out, or just look them up, Asia Love, alright? Look up Vincent Ortega Jr. or Vince Ortega Jr. Look him up. And also look up Jillian Ortega. The reason why is, firstly, Asia Love has worked with Vincent Ortega before, and Vincent has made over 100 million in online sales, through online marketing. And what he did is he taught Asia his principles and, the steps and the processes that he used to get to that. Asia was able to go from 40 million to over 100 million in real estate sales using that principle. So for all you real estate folks out there, jump on board. And then Jillian Ortega has done over 50 million in direct sales, through Mary Kay. That's one of the biggest network marketing businesses in the world. If you haven't heard of Mary Kay, check that out. And Jillian's met Mary Kay as well. So that there's a lot of knowledge there, guys. You don't make that much money just by thin air. You do that by helping people. So this is what these guys are about. So jump on and just learn a little bit, and just keep jumping on the lives and continue to do so until you feel like, hey, I want to learn a bit more. That's fine. You don't have to start straight away. I'm done now. Okay, cool. I've done what I need to say. I hope everyone has a fantastic weekend when it reaches you. It's already Saturday night here. So Thanks so much for everyone who likes and comments and has subscribed. If you haven't, just so you know, a goal of mine is to reach 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to need your help for that. So please like and subscribe the video. Turn on the notifications and turn on to all so you don't miss my face. And I'm out of here. Hooroo.